Good afternoon, guys. So in my other video, we have done the front elevation, which is this side. The front elevation this side, we have done it. So we are doing the back, the right and the left, which is the back, the right and the left side elevation. So if you are following me, all this will not be new to you because I don't have to start explaining from the beginning. We are continuing from where we stop. We stop at the front elevation. We are continuing from the back elevation now. So notice the front elevation. This is how we orientate the plan. If you are doing the back now, you turn it like this. Like this. Should do. So we are doing the back elevation now. Look at the plan position. You can see I rotate the plan. So this external wall, bisect it down from your fisher board down. This external wall, bisect it down from your fisher board down. And also your eye level window, which is the window level on the halfway. I've taught you guys how to do eye level window on my previous lecture. So we are through the plan. We have bisect all what you need down. You can easily remove the plan and put it aside. So the roof plan, this is the front that we draw before. So the back apparently is the same thing. We are offsetting 600. So just your pencil, 600 for the roof that covers the wall. So just put it on 600. So let's draw our roof. You bisect from angle A, from angle B to get the center line. You bisect angle A, angle B to get the center line. So you now your adjustable set square. This is the use of your adjustable set square. You adjust it, put it, and set it to your angle. To your angle. So you draw 50 for the roof, 300 for the fascia board. Same thing applies here. 50 for the roof, 300 for the fascia board. You can see. So you bring your wall to meet the fascia board. You bring the other wall to meet the fascia board. So we are done with the bisecting and drawing. So we can move to cleaning the construction line we are not using. Remember, this is your natural ground level or assumed ground level, anyone you like it. So erase all what you're not using from this part, from this part, from this part. Erase everything out. Erase everything out. Make sure you have your handkerchief to dust. I'm just using my hand to do it. Make sure you have your own handkerchief to dust. So our window, eye level window, 600. That's 1.3 divided by 2, 600. I've explained the use of eye level window to you guys on my other video. So you can't just watch my video halfway and understand many things. You have to start from the beginning if you are a novice in architectural drawing to understand everything clearly. Before I get to this stage, I've explained so many things that you will meet, which I know that if I don't explain it, when you get to this level, you'll be like, how come? How is this happening? So this is our eye level window. You can do it casement, you can do it sliding, you can do it projected. It's your choice. So remember, I named this thing. Yeah, so also our ridge cap. Ridge cap is the one that covers the center point of the roof so that water will not penetrate from that side. So I label this on my front elevation ridge cap. The edge of the roof is called eave, and here we have a roof vent. So I'm done with the back. You can just tick your results to make it beautiful. You can tick your result to make it beautiful. As you are drawing, when you are ticking, make sure you blow the pencil particles dropping on your paper. You blow it out to avoid stain. We are done with the back. So now, let's go to the right side elevation. We have done the front, we have done the back, this is the right side. So that means the right side, this is a plan oriented. So the right side will be like this. So you can just put it this way. We already have our basic rules for elevation, basic line rules for elevation. The 450, the 900, the 12, the 900, the 300. So let's go into details drawing the right side elevation. You bisect this angle down. You bisect this angle down. And make sure there's a step here, step up here. Make sure you point it out also. So we are done with the plan. The roof plan also, we are bringing out 600 because if you check the roof plan, this is the plan, this is the roof plan. We are doing it like this also. So 600, 600. This is the plan under the roof here. This is the roof on the plan. This is why we are showing these broken lines here, is for you to know that there's something that under the roof. The roof is not standing on its own, it's standing on something. So what is standing on is the roof, is the wall. So this is the wall, indicated as hidden line because we can't see it on the roof, but we have to show you that something is under the roof. So and your eave 50. So if you can see, this is your ridge cap here. From the side, you see this line, and this line. So this is here, ridge cap. 150 and 50. So you are done with this. You can actually tick your results. You can see that I'm more faster in doing this because I've explained to you the basic of what you need. So the step up. The riser is 150. 1 and 2. So it's easy. 1, 2. The last one will be inside the shop. The step up. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the back and the right elevation. So, if you notice very well, you see that the right and the left, they are both typical because we have a straight wall here, we have a straight wall here. Even if I turn it back to the left side elevation, I will see the same result, but the step will be here. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. the front and the back are different, because at the front we have door, at the back we have window. At the right side we don't have anything here. At the left side we don't have anything here. So even if I want to draw the left side elevation, if I turn it, what will be different is that the step up will be at this side, not at this side. So I'm drawing the left side elevation. So I don't need to go into that. You guys have understand what I'm saying. If you now going back to my 3D, I take it that this right side elevation, you can see how the roof goes, roof slope. You can see it. This is it. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. This step here, those are looking at here. The back and the front are the same thing in shape, but the window and door are different. We have window at the back. We have door at the front. So that's that for. What next is just your roof. You should ash your roof lines. I'll just draw it small because of the video. You guys are using your Mac, so just try and do your roofing. You can do this type of roofing. You can do aluminum roofing. Depends on what you want. You can do like this. So you can see we have three different roofing sheets here. This is normal asbestos roofing sheet. This is aluminum non-span order. So we have our back elevation. We have right side elevation. So that's that for the elevation. We are going to the section and foundation. See you in my next video. Please kindly subscribe, follow, like and share, and invite your friends.